morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn about disaster management. And let us see. First, we can learn what is a disaster. Let us see. A disaster is an event that causes a huge loss of lives and property. Again, another words we can say that an event that causes a huge loss of lives and property is called a disaster. And see, different types of disasters are there. Natural disasters are there, man-made disasters are also there. See, again, disasters can be either natural or man-made. Natural disasters are caused by the forces of nature. See, the natural disasters are caused by the forces of nature. Let us see which are the forces that causes the disasters. Let us see, such as the floods, then cyclones, earthquakes, droughts or volcanic eruptions, landslides. Means all these are examples of natural disasters. Again, earthquakes, floods, cyclones, droughts, volcanic eruptions, all these cause natural disasters. And see, sometimes human activities or sometimes our activities also add to the risk of natural disasters. Or in other words, we can say that because of our activities, the density of disasters may increase. And see, we know that deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels contribute to global warming. Or these things, again, the deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels increases the density of natural disasters. And see, the continuous global warming may melt large amounts of polar ice. What is the result of this melting of ice? Or because of the melting of the polar ice, the level of sea water rises, and this could be in turn cause floods because of the increasing level of sea water. Yes, it causes floods. And see, and another besides deforestation, means other than this deforestation, it reduces rainfall also. Because of the deforestation, or another result for the deforestation, that is it reduces rainfall, or the deforestation causes to reduce rainfall also. And sometimes it causes droughts also, and it also increases, or the deforestation also increases soil erosion also, because if trees are not there, what is happening? Yes, if trees are not there, yes, soil erosions, there is a chance of the occurrence of soil erosion, and thus another result of soil erosion, or thus increasing the risk of landslides. Sometimes the deforestation causes the increase of soil erosion and the chances to increase of landslides also. And again see human error, the negligence, the malfunction of equipment, of the deliberate actions of men, all these lead to different disasters or different natural calamities. And see again another say means disasters bring great suffering in their wake. Let us see what is the content of this sentence. Though events such as cyclones can be anticipated, they become disasters when they catch people unaware. Means people may not be knowing, means no pre-warning should be there before the occurrence of such occurrences. Or often a large number of people are killed or injured, means homes are destroyed. The result of all these calamities, homes are destroyed or people are forced to leave their homes in search of food, water or means of livelihood. Because of all these disasters, people have to go for all such things. And to add to the misery, disasters such as floods are accompanied by widespread diseases also. Means because of these disasters, means for example flood, because of the flood, famines are there, other different things are there. Then another one, the increase of diseases or the occurrences of different diseases are also there. And see, in a disaster affected region, natural resources like agricultural fields and man-made facilities such as roads or bridges, electric and telephone lines and so on can be damaged or destroyed. Means all these facilities can be damaged because of all these disasters. And another theme, socio-economic conditions play a big role in the impact of a disaster. Means different socio-economic factors are also there. Means the poor people have to suffer a lot because of these disasters. And see, the poor suffer the most when disasters strike. For example, while flood waters can damage brick houses. Means for example, if flood is occurring, then the poor people have to suffer a lot. Why? What is the reason? Means many of them or many of the poor people are living in small huts, and that huts may be made by the bricks. So sometimes what is happening, because of these floods, there is a chance of the washing away of such huts or small houses, and they can wash away the huts in which the poor live. The poor do not have savings to help them recover from the loss of their homes. Means the poor people cannot recover very soon from such calamities because they may not be having that much bank balance, and nothing should be there, nothing may be there. So it will take a lot of time to recover from such calamities. And let us see now another one, hazards. See, hazards means, let us see what are hazards. A thing or a condition that might lead to a disaster is a hazard. See, a thing or a condition that might lead to a disaster is a hazard. Let us see one example. A river is a hazard for those living on its banks. Why? Why a river is said to be a hazard? Because it can cause floods. The river can cause floods. Means another example, a leak at a factory producing poisonous chemicals can have disastrous consequences. Means all these are examples of hazards. But one, a river can cause a hazard, another one, the leakage in a factory, and such a factor or the leakage in a factory represents a health hazard to the community around it. Okay, these are some of the things related with the disaster management. Again, disaster, an event that cause a huge loss of lives and property, that is called a disaster. Okay, the other points related with the disaster management we can learn in the next class. Thank you all of you.